Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply this layer style. It's new. It's on the CapCut mobile app. So you're just going to select a picture. It only works on photos. Then select the add button. You're going to then select the photo again, and you're going to select style. And there's three options. There's layer, nimble layer, and layer haste or something. I am going to select the nimble layer one, and I'm going to apply it to the photo. It does take a few minutes, and as you can see, the style has been applied. It is a pro feature, so I only got to use it once. And yeah, it works like this. Make sure your photo is layered like this though, like the background as well. And this is what it looks like. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!